And this is pond water. The dog always washing in water in this pond and clean its body. And this evening, in the evenings, a lot of chicken fly up to the tree and sleep on the tree. Yes, it looks good landscape. And there are a lot of chicken and duck here. Yeah, this is a small business, a family farm for me. It's a Cambodian family farm. And over there's my pig pen. But the markets in Cambodia not so good, so I always lost a lot of money to sell the pig. Yes, it looks good atmosphere here for feeding the chicken and duck, and has a pond water for duck washing in it and clean it. Okay, thank you for watching here. If you want to know about experience to feed a chicken and duck, contact me. Okay, thank you.